I am Josh.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
Hi, I'm Emily Radford.
My name is Keith.
I'm Charlotte.
We've come from Malvern in Worcestershire.
Hi, I'm Francesca from London.
My name's Shanoya. I come from Southend.
Southend?
Yeah, Shantae, Southend.
Anika, Southend.
Excellent.
Yeah, they were really nice. Better than the other unis I've seen anyway.
Oh, it's been great. I've been able to see the whole campus and I've been able to meet the department and see what my course will entail, as well as seeing the other facilities that are available.
It's a really safe place and I would love to come and study here because it reminds me of home with the green countryside and it's got such a good course.
Really good. They helped us with a bit of talk on the course outlines and what to expect at the uni.
It's actually made me, for the department she's going into, think from a mature student that's something I could embark on.
I think it's a cracking university. It's good views, good people, friendly. It's been a good day. And the course looks really good. And I like the drones as well. So
I like them as well.
I enjoyed looking through the accommodation and going on tours and looking at the facilities available here.
I like the fact that it was all on one campus and you have to travel around a lot and it's not that far from home.
I think that the location and scenery is really good and it has a very strong biology department and I can also do zoology, which is my favourite subject. I like the surroundings and I like the scenery and I like all the facilities that are available and all the statistics that are really good about the university.
I would definitely do it. I would definitely recommend if somebody else will like to come here, I would definitely recommend it.
Fantastic.